Hello guys, welcome to Manure Education. Today in this video, we will talk about how to prepare for CMAT GK section, tips to prepare, and we have also launched the crash course batch if you're preparing for CMAT 2023. The General Awareness section in the CMAT 2023 exam is a critical section. A consistent and streamlined approach can help you crack this section easily. The GK syllabus for CMAT 2023 exam covers topics on history, geography, current affairs, static GK, economics, business, awards, sports, corporate events, etc. Other topics related to entertainment, politics, environment are also asked. We'll also discuss about tips to prepare for CMAT GK section. But before we begin, we have an important announcement to put forward. All the MBA entrance related videos will be available only on Manure MBA entrance channel, be it exam updates, latest notifications, preparation strategies, live paper analysis, and a lot more. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button to get notified regarding all the MBA entrance related videos. Also, you all can see a glimpse of these. All you have to do is follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and join our Telegram channel as well. Also guys, we have launched the crash course batch, and for other MBA entrance exams also. For live class, you all can call on 8828581455. For classroom coaching, we are Mumbai based. You all can visit our centers at Vasai, Dadar, Borivali, and Thane. You all can contact on these numbers, and our counselors will get back to you with all the relevant details. Also, a Pune center is coming soon, so stay tuned for this as well. Also guys, you'll get access to video lectures, mock tests, books, mentorship strategy, and a lot more to ace your entrance exam in the very first attempt. General Awareness section of the CMAT 2023 exam is worth 80 marks. Like other 4 sections, quantitative techniques, data interpretation, logical reasoning, language comprehension, and general awareness section is also crucial. Unlike a few other exams, GK section in CMAT 2023 exam has a negative marking, hence students cannot take it lightly. To prepare well for GK section, it is essential to be an avid reader and be aware of the surroundings as well. Some pointers to keep in mind while preparing for general awareness section are understanding various critical government schemes. Read about major national and international events that have taken place in the last 1 year. Go through the ongoing sports events, their names, logos, host countries, and winners. Memorize world records, books, and authors and award winners as well. All events related to entertainment, politics, etc. So you'll have to work on these points while preparing for CMAT GK section. Some tips to help you prepare better for GK section of CMAT 2023 are: read newspapers, especially the editorials. This not only helps in the GK section but also the language comprehension. Avail the unlimited digital content available online on our YouTube channel, which is Manure Education and Manure MBA entrance channel, with regards to GK preparation, planning, strategy, Manure CMAT mock test series, handouts, and online classes as well. Refer to books which are specific to CMAT 2023 preparation, like Study Package for CMAT by Manure Education. Links are in the description guys, you all can check that out as well for books and mock test, and in case you all want to join our crash course batch as well. Also stay aware of the latest GK and management related developments. Constant revision and series of tests will help you with a better understanding and familiarity with the test. Finally, work on improving your test taking strategies. CMAT aspirants will be appearing in the CMAT exam on April 2023. We'll find that there will be separate questions on general awareness comprising 20 questions, and keeping in mind that there will be negative marking of -1. This general awareness section can prove to be a differentiator, and since the section is very scoring section, it is important that aspirants should abreast themselves with the latest happenings in India and globally also. Now let's check out CMAT 2023 preparation resources. All you have to do is visit our website manuaredu.com, click on buy online, MBA entrance. As you all can see, you all can get study materials from here. You all can get mock test if you have not written any mock test yet. Also guys, regarding the crash course, you all can join a crash course batch as well. We have launched the crash course batch for CMAT 2023 preparation as well. For mock test, you all can get access to mock test booster CMAT 2023 10 full length mock. In case of topic wise test, you all can check out this mock test package as well. Regarding study materials, all you have to do is click on show packages and here you go. You all can find CMAT 2023 preparation books, section wise preparation books as well. Guys, these study materials are specially curated by experts who have 5+ years of exam writing experience, and to understand the difficulty level of the paper, types of questions that are asked in the exam, and various other features too. So guys, that was pretty much it for today's video. Also the link for mock test, full course program, live class, mock test are mentioned in the description. Do check that out as well and share this video with all your friends as well. Until then, see you in the next video.